Hey my sugar babies, it's your girl Shugs and I am back with another video. Hey girl, hey. Okay, so before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're there, go ahead and share it with a friend because it's free, okay? So today we're going to be doing another little DIY. So if anybody else is like me, I don't always want like a heavy full face, full beat type of thing, but I still want, you know, a little bit of coverage. So as you can see, our friend is still here. So today we're going to be doing a little DIY tinted moisturizer. So let's see, let me come back out. Or was it better to look close up? Yeah, I guess we'll stay there. So I don't know about y'all, but whenever I try to find a tinted moisturizer, I usually can't find nothing that's, you know, the same color as all this chocolate. Okay, it usually stops at like my, you know, my tan or my ivory colored girlfriends, right? Unless I'm trying to like drop a bag, and usually for tinted moisturizer I'm not. So we are going to be doing a little mix of something. I've got some SPF, okay, SPF 50. It's for the face, made by Coppertone. Then the foundation I'm going to be using is this Infallible Pro Matte in the color 112 Cocoa. And then I'm going to be putting in a little bit of primer, and I'm using the True Matte Pro Filter by Fenty Beauty. Okay. I'm going to be mixing it just on like a little plate because I don't want to put it like in a bottle or nothing, just in case it don't work. So we're going to start with a little bit of foundation. That's enough. Then usually for my face I put like 2 pumps. And then just like a little, no, probably too much. Just a little dollop of that. Just got like a little plastic knife. We're gonna mix it together. And it still, you know, looks like my skin color. Now I do have moisturizer already from when I did my skincare this morning, so I am going to just take a little makeup remover thing and wipe that off, just because I do already have oily skin. Girl, I done forgot the most important doggone part. The doggone moisturizer, child. So for my face, I use this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. I'm just gonna put about that much. Hopefully it's not too much. It might be a little too much, but like I said, wiping off my face, I do have oily skin, and I don't want to have like the moisturizer already on my face and then turn around and put more moisturizer on it. Because then I feel like that's just a recipe for a disaster. Like, I'm just asking to have dumb oily skin. I am going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm using this Morphe in the color Java. Don't know if y'all can see that. Alright, now we're going to dive right in to the moisturizer. So I'm just taking my foundation brush. I'd recommend starting off with a clean one. I'm not, just because I didn't think about that before I sat down for this video. Just going to dab right in. my eyebrows. We are going to conceal just a little bit. I'm using my Maybelline. Child, this packaging don't tell you nothing about what your product is. I don't know. Just a little bit up underneath the eyes. All right, now I'm going to set with my Airspun. Just going to use a little fluffy brush. And now I'm going to set all over my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 362 Truffle. Just to add a little bit of definition, or I guess like matteness into my eyes. Okay. And then I am going to set it with the All Nighter spray. All right, now just off of a quick kind of look, let me see, I'll zoom in. You definitely can obviously still see some of the discoloration in my cheeks, but I do think that it has evened out, you know, a decent little bit. Now let's see, I'm going to do a little flash test. Alright, so we're going to turn off my light. Okay, so the flash test doesn't, you know, look bad at all. This wig on here don't look the best, but that ain't the purpose of the video. Okay, let me turn my light back on. Alright, so can y'all see? There's like no flashback at all. So let's see what this wear test is looking like. I do have a few things to do today. I have to run some errands. And I am hanging out with a couple of friends. Literally just 2 friends because coronavirus. So I probably will have this on. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. I'll probably have this on for a good like 6 hours, 6 or 7 hours. So I will check back in with y'all before I wash my face off. Alright, y'all, so I just want to come through with a little wear test. So it is getting a little oily through here, which is, you know, pretty much, I mean, expected. I have oily skin. So it is, what time is it? It is 3:14, so it's been about 3 hours. I'm actually probably about to wash it off now. But yeah, I just wanted to check back in with you guys. This is something I definitely would see myself doing again. I might buy me like a little tube or something. Yeah, I might buy myself a little tube or something to, you know, mix some in so I don't have to mix that every morning. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed and thank you for watching.